So in this Realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the home age filter here on Realtor.com on the application. So first thing you have to do is open up Realtor.com and then select an area that you're looking for. So in this demonstration, I have the sort of the Northern California, San Francisco, San Jose, Palo Alto area for this demonstration. Now once that is done, and you're looking for houses that are specific age or less or older, for example, go to filters in the top left right here, scroll all the way down until you come across home size, home age, lot size. You want home age right here. So by default, it actually has any. So the searches that you're seeing right now are houses that are 50 years old, 20 years old, whatever the case may be. It'll be any sort of range. But if you want to refine that a little bit, press on home age right here. And then if you're looking for a house that, let's just say, is a maximum, 15 years old, for instance, right here. Go to maximum right there, say your age, then go to the bottom right and press on see homes. And now your search will be refined to the homes that are 15 years or less in regards to age. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to edit the home age filter here on the Realtor.com application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.